All right, good morning, everybody. All right, so let me tell you what's going on here. I only had one trade, and I'm getting ready to put on a short gold, looking to sell the gold. But I've already had one trade already this morning on some stocks. Let's take a look and see it. Take a look at that real quick here. All right, good morning, everybody. All right, so let me tell you what's going on here. I only had one trade, and I'm getting ready to put on a short gold, looking to sell the gold. I get a little feedback there. All right, so gold. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Okay, taking a light position here on the gold. This is going to be a pairing pattern short. Pairing pattern short. All right, profit target. Profit target is going to bring me down to 1959. And I'm going to reverse up here if I need to at 74. All right, 74 is going to be my reversal on the short gold. All right. I do like natural gas. Natural gas has already taken off. Going to take a little bit on this natural gas short. Looking at natural gas. Things are moving this morning. All right, let's take a look at gas here. All right, this is a pairing pattern short. Initial short came in here at the green line, but I sound a little bit late here, but I do like this short. First target down here is going to bring me down to 2365. All right, that's going to be my profit target, 2365. Once it hits 65, I may hold it a little bit longer here. We'll wait and see what happens once it gets down to this level. All right, short gold, short the natural gas. Let's run over and take a look at our stocks real quick here. See what's going on. Morning, John. How are you? So, what are you doing, John? You're selling the Euro US. All right. Okay, let's take a look at these stocks here. Okay, so the only trade I've taken so far today was on ELEV. I'm already in and out. We'll take a look at ELEV. ELEV entered at the yellow line. That yellow line was an HF1 buy. And I did get out after it hit the third level, 1, 2, 3, this third level, and I am out flat on ELEV. All right, watching EFTR, not seeing anything on EFTR. Some of the stocks that came up on my scanner this morning is I like to look at these stocks and have some movement here, high volume in the morning. WLDS, these all have over 1 million in volume. Spreads only a penny, not liking that yet. HQ is another one that I have an eye on, 1.9 million. Looks like that wants to pull back a little bit, so I'm gonna hold off on this. Watch it down here around 210. May see some nice buying coming in at 210. And let's see here, what else? SHPH, 2.4 mil already. Watch down at 138. ONFO, wow, 4 million, almost 4.5 mil. Okay, I like ONFO. Gonna buy some ONFO. All right, buying some ONFO. First target's gonna bring me up to 195. This is gonna be an HF2 buy. Hey, got another one, a little bit less of a target, 185. No, take that back. 192. Going out much further. 257, not sure we're going to hit that today, though. 257. All right. All right, I have a little bit of ONFO. All right, I want to check back with ELEV. Hey, ELEV setting up an HF1 buy again. I'm going to buy ELEV. All right, next target up on ELEV is going to be 550. $53. Let's watch ELEV. Watch and see if we can punch through 53. Still NONFO. Checking in our gold. Still short gold here. Looking good. 1959 is going to be my target on the short gold. Natural gas, still short natural gas. Still target 2365 on that natural gas. All right, watching ONFO. Scanner's pretty quiet this morning. Not a whole lot jumping in on the scanner yet. All right, watching ONFO. Hit target number 1. See if we can get it up to target number 2. $195 is going to be that target. First target, ONFO. Still an ELEV. This is an HF1 buy on ELEV, still long ELEV. This was another HF1 buy up here on ELEV. Once again, I'd like to get in right before the opening bell. See if we can just hold it in here a little bit. Maybe we'll get a nice little push up right after the opening bell. Then we can get out of ELEV and ONFO. All right, ELEV taken off. ELEV did hit target number 2. All right, I'm going to see how far we can take this here. ONFO is also starting to move up. We have already hit target number 2 there, but or did we? No, almost. Not quite. See if we can get up here to target number 2 on ONFO. ELEV, that was really starting to explode here. Still on ELEV. Hit my upper 2 targets. All right, I'm waiting. See if we can go parabolic here after the opening. I have about another 3.5 minutes to go before the opening bell. So hopefully we can hang in here. We don't have too bad of a flush, and see if I can take this up on a push right after the opening. ONFO is also looking good. So one of these two probably gonna start taking off. ONFO is getting close to that second level, second target. ELEV is going to be the main player here after the opening. Good, John. You picked up 226. Good job. Yeah, Glenn, Glenn, the thing about Nadix, if you're going to trade Nadix, particularly on the commodities and the indices, you want to stay with the knockouts. That's just like trading the spot. That's the best way to do that for sure. All right, we're almost a minute out from the opening bell. Let's see what happens to this ELEV. Can we go to 6? Seven seconds out. Okay, we're off to the races. ELEV, ONFO. ONFO. Looking good. ELEV. Watching ELEV. Gonna get another pop up here on ELEV. I'll go ahead and I'll cover. ONFO. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of ONFO. Still in ELEV. Waiting to see if we can get some buying coming in on ELEV. All right, so we are out of ONFO. Check on my JDST real quick. No opportunities on JDST. SHPH. Nothing there. Let's see, what else do we have here? Check on my gold. Still short gold. Checking back on ELEV.
HTUS.
I'm going to go ahead and get out of ELEV. Still have a small gain. Get out of ELEV. ALAR. Nothing there. WLDS was another one I was watching this morning. WLDS. Nothing there. All right, natural gas. Still short natural gas. Sneeze. Excuse me. 2365 still my target on that natural gas. $59 still my target on gold. All right, let's look at the mini Russell. Let's see what the mini Russell's doing. Taking a look at the indices. Not seeing anything on the mini Russell. Mini NASDAQ. Nothing I like on the mini NASDAQ. E-mini S&P. Not seeing anything I like on the E-mini S&P. Finally, crude oil. But crude oil is going higher. So nothing on crude oil. All right, I add up ELEV. If we start heating up again, I'll get it back in the ELEV.
FULC.
HPH. See. LABD. LABD does have the
HTUS.
potential to go higher, but not right now. Let's wait and see if we can get a bounce, get some pattern setting up. FSCO. No good there. BPAC. No good there. All right, getting a buy on ELEV. So I'm going to jump back into ELEV. Let's see if we can get it up here to 520. Let's see. 520. See if VWAP is going to be a support area. We'll see if it holds. All right, coming up to 520. $520. Go ahead and get out, take my profit on close to 520. Out of ELEV. Okay, going to check back on JDST. Like to get in JDST. I see no opportunities yet on JDST. ONFO already trading out of ONFO. I don't see any entries. Looks like we're going to pull back a little bit. They jump back in the ONFO once we get a setup. I keep an eye on ONFO. Heavy buying around 210. I'm watching up to 236. $235. See if we can come up to around 235. All right, I like it. I'm going to go ahead and buy some here. Quick little pop on ONFO. See if we can get this up to let's see, 247. Put up to 247.
ROC.
Good, John. Yeah, do send me that. Just be patient with yourself. You know, this is a marathon, right? Takes time. But you're doing good. That's a good return. I'm looking over my scanners to see if I see anything else in here I like. All right, I'm seeing QH. Let's take a look at QH real quick here. What does QH look like? QH. A lot of good volume on QH. Maybe we start moving higher. I may be interested in QH. I don't see anything in QH now. But almost 3.5 mil shares already. Not bad. MBOT. MBOT is popping up on our radar again. That was something we traded a little bit of last few weeks. MBOT, MBOT. 1.1 mil. I don't see anything that I'm excited about yet. I'd like to see a little bit more activity on that. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. I don't see a great opportunity on MBOT. Uh-uh. We're out of ELEV. So we're done with the ELEV today. We're back in ONFO. Keep an eye on ONFO. I'd like to see ONFO start to firm up here. I still have several targets up here that I'm looking at on ONFO. Once again, Fridays can be kind of tricky, but usually you've got to hit it early on Fridays because it can go really dead as we start to move into the afternoon.
ROC. Hey, watching ONFO. I'm going to go ahead and get out of ONFO. Flat on ONFO. Still up a little bit on ONFO for the day. Gave a little bit back on that trade.
Now it looks like we're going to pull back a little bit. So I'm going to wait for the pullback, but I think I'm going to come back and we'll check on OMFO here in a minute. Check on my gold. Still short gold. Gold's still looking pretty decent. Still short gold. 59 is going to be my target. Natural gas. Let's check on natural gas. Also short on natural gas. Natural gas is, let's see what natural gas is doing here. Natural gas is looking good. I'm still short natural gas. All right, I just put a few more on natural gas. Sold a few more contracts on natural gas. Watching ONFO come down. Seeing how far ONFO could come down to, I could see it come all the way down to this yellow line again, which would put us back down to 185. All right, so that's going to wrap it up for this morning's show. We'll continue on in our live trading room. I want to thank everybody for being here this morning. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you like to keep updated with any of our newly released videos. Also hit that notification bell. If you'd like more information on my trading approach, you can find plenty of videos on my YouTube channel. Everybody have a good weekend. Be safe. Hopefully we'll see you back first thing Monday morning. Take care.